Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel. I have not had a video here recently, just been really busy, but a couple things I've done. One thing I've been working on is losing some weight. I figure that'll be a really good mod for my car, some weight loss. Plus it makes, a little more healthier lifestyle. I'm getting older, so I gotta take care of myself a little better. One thing I did do to the car this past weekend is I went and picked up new tires. This car had the Goodyear 3Rs on it, with it being the 1LE track pack. I got about 6,500 miles on the tires. I could have squeezed out more, but I do daily drive the car, and when it rains, it was extremely noticeable when the tires started getting past the wear bars. So what I've switched to is the Michelin Pilot Sport 4Ss. These tires have about, I think 9/32 tread depth versus what the 3Rs are, which is, the 3Rs are track tires. But I got the same sizes. These are not run flats, but I want to see how, just so far with having them for a day, they ride. It's crazy the difference, the comfort feel. I mean, you still feel everything on the road, just because of the suspension and everything on the car. But as you can see, the tread on these are quite a bit more. So we're gonna see how these work, how these do. The downside to them is obviously the price. I had them installed over at my local discount tire. That discount tire, I've actually had quite a few cars taken there. When I had the Z06, they seem to have a lot of problems getting the Cup 2s to seat on the wheels. But these, I mean, these are smaller wheels, at least diameter, but they were done with my car in less than an hour, all four tires. So they did a really good job. This weekend I'm gonna be going over to Alabama to some family, and I'll get about 300 or so miles round trip on the tires, and we'll see how they do. But so far I'm happy with them. I think they're going to be great tires. So we'll see, and I'll keep you updated on how it does. So you guys have a good one. Catch you on the next one.